Let's start with SoftBank's bet on big pharma.
Yeah, we're now learning that Roche's largest investor is SoftBank, one of the largest investors. That's according to the data that Bloomberg has compiled. We also know that Roche's sales really took off during the pandemic, in large part because of its testing business. Their diagnostic division reacted swiftly to the coronavirus pandemic. Even though the drug-making division has had some challenges, mainly that their aging cancer drugs face a lot of competition ahead. Now, that said, people close to the matter say SoftBank sees Roche's Genentech division as undervalued. It focuses on data-based drug discovery and development. Roche is also developing a new pill for COVID-19 and Alzheimer's treatments that makes it very attractive. Now, the stock is up almost 9% in the past year compared with the rest of the industry. The MSCI World Pharma, Biotech, and Life Sciences, for instance, that is below the 14.7% gain for the index. But SoftBank has been increasingly focused on biotech, and healthcare analysts point out, and those close to the matter say it has slowly been building this very large stake in the pharma giant, which amounts to about $5 billion. Heidi?
We're also hearing, Sue, sources telling Bloomberg that the UK could be trying to block Nvidia's deal to buy SoftBank's Arm unit. Is this entirely on national security concerns?
Well, that is a big part of it, according to those who are close to the matter. We're also hearing there may be some anti-competitive concerns. And because of that, we did see the stocks in the chip space get rocked. Nvidia was down at one point, down by 2.7% before rebounding at the close. You'll notice Advanced Micro up in a big way, closing for its fifth straight record high. AMD, of course, a big competitor with Nvidia. Nvidia really dominates the chip space. And some analysts say if there were any threat to this deal, it could threaten Nvidia's domination. Now, Nvidia is the biggest U.S. chip company by market cap. It announced a $40 billion deal to acquire Arm back in September as part of its push to really reach into the surging market for semiconductors. Arm is the most widely, or certainly owns the most widely used sets and standard designs in the $400 billion chip industry. It's currently owned by SoftBank. We also know that the UK did seek back in April to investigate whether the deal could be anti-competitive, whether it could pose some national security concerns. It's not exactly clear how a Japanese-owned chip division bought by Nvidia would pose those concerns. But nonetheless, Nvidia has issued a statement saying that it is working with the regulatory process, and we're hearing there's still a possibility the deal could go through. Back to you.